Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: destroyer grade clear coat, tires, 245/45 R20 BSWS performance, black houndstooth cloth sport seats, black top package included, leather performance steering wheel, Challenger black top grille badge, rear black spoiler, black grille with bezel wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted gloss, black IP cluster trim rings, black fuel filler door, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 black noise painted, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, make, STD, Sirius satellite radio included. For more info call 800-643-21121. Your Sirius XM radio service, quick order package 21A SXT rear wheel drive included, engine 3.6 LV.